Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a BMW X1 bonnet. First, sit in the driver's seat and locate the interior release lever at your left footwell. Pull it firmly until you hear a pop. Walk to the front, feel for the secondary safety catch under the hood center, push it to the side, and lift the bonnet. Support it with the gas strut or prop rod if necessary, then inspect for secure seating. To open the interior release, bend slightly and look down at the driver footwell for a small lever marked with a bonnet icon. Grasp the lever firmly and pull outward until you hear a distinct click indicating the hood has unlatched. Do not try to force the bonnet up from the front yet, as the secondary catch still secures it. Once you hear the pop, move to the front of the car to safely release the secondary latch. At the front center of the bonnet, place your hand under the lip and feel for the small safety catch that keeps the bonnet from opening fully. Push or slide that catch sideways while gently lifting the bonnet until it clears the latch. Let the bonnet rise slowly and rely on the gas struts if present, or secure the bonnet with the prop rod in its slot. Check the hood is stable before you perform any engine checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.